or later we're going to be in there. But for now, I think we're going out today because we are going to, what's it called? A bird sanctuary park. So our friends here for breakfast, they went to the same bird park sanctuary place. So we're gonna go and have a little visit as well. They look really good from their video. So that is what we've got planned for today afternoon. It's like 1 o'clock, 10 past 1. Really late. We just had a really lazy morning because we've been waking up really early lately the last few days. So beautiful day. I just got to call it Uber. I think we're really close at least. Like 2 kilometers away, I think.
Yeah, I came down and I was like, I'll do the taxi when we get downstairs. Because we had a takeaway last night and I have like all the rubbish and I know that ants just get everywhere. So I tied the bag up and hung it on the door thinking they wouldn't gap on the door. And then I'm swinging the bag around and I felt something crawling on my arms. It was all the ants in the bags. So I'm like, oh, does anyone know where the bin is? And the man was like, And I was like, the bin? And he was like, And I was like, oh, thinking he said, I'll take it. So I'm handing him this bag of ants.
Did you really?
No, I literally held it out to him like, and he's looking at me like, and he went, outside. And I was like, oh, my bad. Walk of shame outside with my bag of ants.
67 ringgit per person and 45 per child. Alright. Guess the birds are straight away wild where to get through all these chains and gates.
Oh, that. Oh.
Okay, so one more gate. And then this little guy is here just chilling. Oh, or he was chilling at least. Where are we?
We're here. We just come in.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then, so the Love Avery, that was that one that we were just in. The Love Avery. He wanted to leave straight away. What a shock. So we are heading to.
Sorry guys, this is taking quite a while for Cody to spit it out.
Shut up, I'm trying to figure it out. We can either go right, well we're not going to the prayer room, so that was
guys, I'll speak this up.
We're going to go to Flamingo Pond.
Thanks God, we got there in the end.
What's your problem? He's hungry, can you tell?
Well, this guy's getting robbed by all the birds.
Look at it on his head.
Really cool place, man. Look, these birds love him.
They all want to land on him.
They all want the food.
I ain't got none for you.
They're only birds, G. They're only birds.
They were all down at the pond, and then next minute we walked up here, and then within like 30 seconds they all walked up here and they were all hanging around here, and I was like, what do they know that we don't? They knew the man was coming, that's all.
Ah, so this one's got eagles in it.
We literally just missed it, that's what he was in here doing.
Look at this big
feeding
guy.
them.
Chilling on the sign. What's up, bro? The word on the street, bro. He looks a bit vicious.
Does, doesn't he?
But there's eagles inside. I think this is what the guy was feeding first, he said.
Yeah, we literally just missed it. Look up there on top of the wood. See it on the log?
Oh, yeah. So this bird's been following Cody for ages. Where's he gone? There.
Hiya.
He's just following.
Got an admirer, haven't I?
Yeah, watch him look. There he is. Oh, I think
He's trying to be sneaky about it as well. He's like, no, I'm just pecking the leaves and not even following you. I don't know what you're talking about.
He was just strolling through.
Nice little man just came up and... What's happening? Well, not quite what's happening, because obviously he wasn't from London, but he was like, hello, nice to meet you. Where are you from? My son studies and works in London. And he shook my hand there, took my whole arm off. It was a full-on strong man's handshake.
He was happy to see us.
He's really happy to see us. I'm just looking because a minute ago, just as he came over, there were two. Here we go.
Eagle, there.
Outside.
Yeah.
Told
I
you.
see him, just.
It's circling, it's coming back.
Good eyes.
Seen something. So yeah, we've seen loads of these in Malaysia. So I used to live in Scotland and you used to see them everywhere. And you were really lucky if you seen them. Oh my god, there's a massive ostrich there. Oh.
Where?
So many birds flying around my head, making me jump. Here?
Oh wow, that's like a horse, that ain't an ostrich. Wow, they're massive.
Yeah, you're cute. I want to stroke you.
No you don't, I'll take your arm off.
Yeah,
Look at the size of this, guys. This is probably as big as me.
Having a look. This guy's just chilling, sitting on his knees, but they bend the wrong way. Look, what's that all about? I want it to stand up so I can see that it's fully functioning. Funny looking little thing. Somebody's had an accident on this one. What happened to you? Whose nerves did you get on? Oh, it's rubbing its own head in it. Watching like a hawk, aren't you? All because got yourself a waffle. Woman come over and said, excuse me sir, please be careful, the birds will literally snatch it out your hand. This guy has been jumping on the table trying to come over for ages, haven't you? This one just flew at me because the little kid tried to kick it. And this one, where is it? Oh, there was a bird here. Oh, there he is. This one, right above our head.
Just dropped a bomb. And I
seconds away from your head.
I think I sat down and it was like 5 seconds later, that happened on the floor. That could have ended really badly for me.
Where are we going? What are we letting ourselves in for? This is a pair of emus. No, I don't know if you can see, but I don't want to point out with my finger. The size of their pen. Here. Here. Yeah, I'm back. 2 emus. Do you think that's big enough size? Well, I certainly don't. And I'm not even going to go down there. Although I feel like when you pay to get in, you kind of support this and make out like it's okay. So I'm kind of regretting that we paid to come here. But then at the same time, they're all up at the back. You can't even like see them from the main part unless you head towards the area where the bird show is. And then you pay to see them. You come in, you don't even know they're there, so they're kept in this tiny little pen for no reason, which is quite disappointing.
About this bird park place.
What's your thoughts?
Is it entirely ethical? Probably not. Is it a good day out? Probably. Just a couple of small things that I wasn't too keen on. Other than that, the most of it was really good, but there's still a few little niggles.
Which aren't so little really when you're there and you're thinking about it, are they?
Yeah.
Biggest one for me was the ostriches and the emus. That really like made me feel sad.
They needed a bigger cage.
Yeah, it's not
Simple.
even up for discussion. Generally it is a good place. Like Chris said, it's a nice day out. The aviary in the gardens is beautiful. The layout is absolutely gorgeous. There's birds everywhere. They're just flying around doing their own thing. So when you walk in, first impressions, you're like, oh wow, this is amazing. They've just got a big net over the top of it where the birds can't fly out and other birds can't get in. I think that's what bothered me the most, is that you pay so much money to go in somewhere and then you see like those things. And on the front window at the beginning when I bought the tickets, it said under no circumstances are refunds given, and it just made me wonder and question on the way around when we were leaving. I wonder if that's there because people have come in and they've seen what I've seen and then they've gone back and they've said that they don't agree with it and they've demanded a refund. And especially British people, like, we're very big on our animals, and if there was like Western/British tourists that have gone there and seen that and thought exactly what I've thought and then gone there and demanded a refund because this is not what I expected it to be. You know, I expected the animals to be loved and looked after, and then you see that, you're like, I don't want to pay for this. It's not what I want to invest my money into. So they've put a sign on the window under what's the word?
Circumstances.
There's no circumstances a refund given, so just bear that in mind as well. We're not in England anymore. You can't go and demand your money back, and in England I'm queen of complaints, aren't I? So if I pay for a service and I don't like it, you best believe I'm getting my money back and I'm writing a complaint to go with it. So yeah, that's that for today. I think just gonna go on adult now and feed this wild beast.
Yeah, and do the boring stuff.
Yes, go and get some washing powder because we've got a washing machine, and yeah, you know, grown up things. So thanks for watching, guys. We hope that you enjoyed it, even with our sad little miserable selves at the end here. But it's not about being sad and miserable, it's just about passing on information and opinions and hopefully helping you make your mind up about these things. So give us a thumbs up if you like us and if you love us and if you want to see some more videos, just so that YouTube knows that, you know what, these guys are fab. More people should see them. Leave us a comment. Let us know if there's anything else in Kuala Lumpur that you would like us to see for when we return next year. And we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.